Got to Antalya, Turkey. Just got to the hotel and it's so beautiful. The trip was like 10 plus hours because we didn't have a direct flight from Bulgaria, but oh my god, I'm so impressed. This is the lobby. It just looks like a normal house, but it's so cozy. Very cute. I think there's a terrace outside. Yeah, it's like a mini like amusement park. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I look disgusting, so I'm gonna film more tomorrow when it's brighter so you can see more. I'm gonna give you a little tour of all our rooms because we all have different styles.
Yes.
Room number 1. This is a design room.
Ooh.
Stop. It's quite modern, but it's pretty clean and the toilet's super modern. It's like, it's still traditional at the same time, and it kind of smells like Korean sauna inside. This is our room, another design room. I think this one is more, this one looks more rustic than our friends' rooms. And I think the highlight of this room is actually this half basement washroom. The washroom is like underground. Don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I'm in a Disney movie. Like, it's really not like any other hotels I've seen. But there's this random one modern AC. Good morning! It's day 1 in Antalya. We just woke up, quickly got ready, and we're gonna have breakfast now at our hotel. We came back to the same terrace that I showed you last night, and it looks even more gorgeous in the morning. Let me show you. So when you come out, this is the little garden, and then this is our little breakfast place. My friends are over there. It's such a vibe, and there's wild cats everywhere. Very cute. Originally, I didn't even wear much makeup because we're gonna be walking around all day and it's like super sunny. It's still Euro summer here, so yeah, I didn't even wear much makeup because I have to top up my sunscreen throughout the day. But maybe I'll wear some foundation later. And this hotel also has a dog. Hello. So yeah, I'm super excited for today. I've been waiting for this Euro summer moment for my entire summer because I didn't get to have much break this summer. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys after the breakfast. Our drinks arrived. We got the Turkish coffee and this other coffee that Michael got. What is it?
Mindful.
Yeah, Brian got a smoothie.
Urban.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah,
This is. It tastes interesting. It tastes like mizugaru,
Oh.
like a Korean grain drink.
What, this one or that one?
This.
This one?
Yeah. Ivy and I got an acai bowl.
I also brought a workout band.
Oh, really?
If you can get a quick pump before your beach. Perfect.
Oh, nice.
I thought I did it. What?
Oh, this is pretty good.
Oh.
Lynn is uncomfortable
How do you feel?
because she has a company. Actually, yeah.
Let me take her out.
Yeah, just carry her.
No.
Yeah, do that.
How does that work?
Because that's
Supposed to be picked up by the-
that's how.
the
Wow. We're going to Old Town now. The weather is beautiful. Almost got run over by the bike.
Actually, let's aim towards the tower.
The weather is also perfect. It's not hot and the sky is blue. I think we're here in Old Town. It's getting super hot. We're just looking around Old Town. It's like 10:30 a.m. and it's so empty.
So empty.
So empty. So highly recommend you to come in the morning. Yeah, I think we beat the crowd. We found the Turkish rug place. Oh my gosh, it's like straight out of a movie. Dude, it's so soft.
You smell fabric.
Yeah. Excuse me? How do you make it?
You made all of them?
Not only me.
Oh, it's
It's impossible.
But this one carpet, it takes 2 years. 2 years worth of efforts. That's like an entire home in Hong Kong. As in the size.
Yes, it's like my studio in Saigon. Having a little photo shoot session. You have 3 photographers and a videographer. Go, go, go.
Oh, indecent.
We are heading to Mermerli Beach and then found this cute little souvenir shop.
Oh.
It's like picturesque everywhere we go. I'm obsessed. Okay, let's go. I spotted that mountain from a mile away.
Yes, you did.
I was like,
influencer at heart.
I need to go there. Oh, we're already at Mermerli. I think it's connected. I'm dead. What the heck? Yes.
I'm sure Cappadocia would be
That is true.
Amazing.
We should have done like a.
We should have done a boat.
I know, the boat chair.
Yeah.
The boat hire.
Like the solo private one.
It's hot.
So nice.
There are so many people there.
Yeah.
It's so early.
Stop at this Arabica coffee because it's too hot. This cafe we found is surprisingly so aesthetic. Is this like Turkish interior?
Look at that. This is like Perge the new.
Oh, okay. You have food?
Yes.
Love it. So this cafe has like different rooms. This is the ground floor. Super aesthetic. And good thing is there's no one here. How does no one know this? Another room in there. See? Another room with a little fireplace. And oh my gosh, an outdoor area. Crazy beautiful. This place is massive. It's a whole building. Guys, I'm in love. I'm in love with this place. It's so pretty. Sorry, I look a little crazy with my hair. It's really hot. Yeah, the outdoor seating is a vibe. This is called a Tibet coffee. Is it just Turkish coffee?
It's different from Turkish coffee. It's got some milk in it. It's sweet.
Okay. heading over to Lucky Monkey Hotel. What?
Look at the private setup.
I love it. Oh my god! I'm screaming. This is unreal, unreal. We got the window seat. Actually, not window, the ledge.
Oh, this might be mine.
That's yours. This one's mine. Thank you.
Very nice.
I'm really intrigued with the iodine.
Ayran. We
Cheers,
got
folks.
sangrias and this is called ayran. Cheers! Oh my gosh. Cheers.
Bottoms up.
That was very aggressive.
The food looks bomb.
Whoa, really like it.
Tomato soup, salad, hummus, seafood, linguine, hummus, beef, steak, and chicken and veal. A bone marrow. This driver is lit. This Uber is lit. Oh, yeah, we saw that one.
You guys said that.
What if there's leeches? We have arrived in Aspendos. So originally we were only gonna go to Perge, but then the taxi driver was so nice and he offered a mini tour of like Aspendos and Perge and Lara Beach. Yes,
For only 90 euros.
yeah, and we think it's a steal. And I hope he's nice and not trying to scam us. So he's just gonna wait for us here. But in the taxi we were low-key scared because we're like, why is he being so nice? But we're in a group, so I think we're fine. Okay, we're gonna buy tickets to Aspendos now. The weather is actually perfect still. Okay, we're going in. Oh my god. Dude, that'll be like grand. But it looks, is it just me or is it very similar to Colosseum?
Colosseum?
It's the same like,
I think so. I think it's the same one.
it's the same
Actually, I think Colosseum they fight.
Yeah, Colosseum is a fighting.
This is
area.
art performance.
ah.
I guess
But I
fighting.
guess the design is similar. Wait, this is like incredible. Beautiful. So apparently they do have orchestra / opera here. Like they have art performances. It's a vlog.
Do you guys want to do your own Sabrina Carpenter dance?
I'm working late. Oh. I came up a bit and I'm panting. Oh my god. Gonna go up more.
It's like a hike.
I don't know how we're all doing this in flip-flops. We're at the top. And now we want to go back.
I don't know how we're gonna walk down. How are we gonna leave?
How do people leave? Oh my god. I couldn't film just now coming down, but it was so scary. Next destination. The cab driver dropped us off at Perge now. It smells fresh. What do you think about Turkey so far?
Great. A lot of great historical sites. A lot of great food.
So what's the history behind Perge?
Perge.
Wow.
It's an entire city.
Yeah, Perge was like a huge city. That was surrounded.
Okay. How do you know that?
History lesson.
Did you just ask ChatGPT?
Like the whole ride, I was
Okay, I'm gonna attempt to go in here. The dragonflies are gone. There's nothing much confirmed.
Tell us, what did you find inside?
Enlighten us. Oh! Oh, I know how to read this.
What?
This is like, I know this. This says, women under 5 feet will gain eternal glory. I read.
It's written in the stone.
It's your calling. Whoa, this really looks like a movie. Okay, that's kind of like a, you know, those have the Lost City. Or like those have a Indiana Jones. Meanwhile, we're here. We're like, can we go to the beach? Are you done? Can we leave at 5?
Well, I guess we'll have to leave without them.
Yeah.
What to do?
There's cats everywhere here. And dogs. Oh my god. This is lit. What a great call.
Go. I mean this.
Last stop before dinner is Duden Waterfall. The taxi driver just dropped us off here. He was the sweetest man ever. Like, he offered to like drive us around for the whole day. Like, you know, just took care of us. Can Ryan try? Maybe he'll grab it.
Yeah.
It seriously just looks like Jurassic Park over here with the scenic mountains in the background. Heading to see the waterfall now. But oh my gosh, like I have to say, I had such a good trip because of the lovely taxi driver who made our day.
Hi, vlog.
It's so pretty.
I'm gonna use one.
Magical. Yeah. Look at the mist.
Crazy.
Okay.
Sorry?
Some little pink clouds. We came to our dinner place called La Vera. I hope it's open. Oh, it is. It's empty. Oh, it's a pool resto. This is our dinner view. I think we got lucky. They still had seats. We did not book. Yeah, I think there's more dining areas on the bottom. Amazing.
He's going straight to go. That's the best. Michael's worst enemy. There's no way it's gone.
It looks funny, but it's good.
A little bit spicy as well.
Rerun so good. Goodbye, Antalya. It is not like a bagel. It's so hard. Let's show the vlog what you got. That's crazy.
I'll have it once in my life.
It's 18 euros. I think the first beach that we saw, I was the most impressed.
Mermerli.
I haven't seen. Was that Mermerli?
Yeah, Mermerli.
Yeah, that one was like eye-opening.
Just walking around Old Town though. Just that.
And walking around Old Town, it was good. Going through all those alleys and the coffee shops. Although, I feel like if we had a proper tour guide explaining the Perge and Aspendos to us, might have popped Old Town. You know, we were just trying to kind of like guess what they were and like ChatGPT everything, so it's kind of hard.
Is your cat
there.
from Brandy Melville?
Yes. Brandy Melville.
That's the kind of content the vlog wants to hear. I think Old Town is also my favorite. Just walking around Old Town. The alleys are very nice. It's all like old stone, like 1850 architecture. It's just like still upkept quite well.
Mine's the same. I think the Old Town's my favorite part. Old Town plus the budget Amalfi Coast.
Yeah.
Because I think the beach, we also saw nice beaches elsewhere, waterfall as well. But then the Old Town plus that coast it's the furthest thing from like where we came from, plus where like Bulgaria scenery is. So I think we had like a very stark contrast. Another highlight of mine is that I don't think any of us had any expectation of how the food would taste. But they all taste really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, my second highlight was dinner. It was so nice. It was like Miami.
It's Miami vibe. Yeah.